Okay, hello. This is just a quick announcement for distance learners. So today is kind of a weird day. To finish this chapter, we're not going to do a test because it's just hard to test on this. It's hard to come up with questions that are like fair questions. So we're just going to do like a formative assignment, essentially. I guess I called it a test, but it's basically just like an assignment that you actually have 2 attempts to do. And the goal is just to kind of summarize all the stuff we've learned in this chapter. So you click on it here and then just work on it. And again, you can take it a second time if you want. It will go in the grade book, but it'll go under your formative grade, not summative. So that's what's happening today. You can use any notes you have. It's pretty meant to be low key, just to kind of summarize everything we've learned, to give you one more chance to look at the sorting stuff. It's not a super critical thing for the AP test, but it's on there and it is kind of interesting. So that's what we're going to do to finish up. Just a reminder too, if you haven't done the free response practice from Friday, to be working on these. These will help you be ready for the test, which is coming up pretty soon. I think May 18 is when the AP test is coming. So these free response will definitely help you. All right, that's all I got. Reach out as always if you have questions. Have a good day.